If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. A bundle item in QuickBooks Online contains other existing products and service items you sell together as a set. Therefore, before you create the bundle item, you must first create its component items in the products and services list. After doing that, to then create a new bundle item, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Products and Services link under the List setting to open the Products and Services page. Then click the New button in the upper right corner of the page and select the Bundle choice from the drop-down menu to open a Product Service Information pane. First, type the name of the item into the name field in the Basic Info section of the pane. If needed, then select Bundle from the Item Type dropdown. Optionally, if you use SKU numbers, enter the item's SKU into the SKU field. Optionally, to upload a picture of the item, click the Add an Image button to open a System dialog box, which you use to navigate to the picture of the item, and click it to select it. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to upload it. To delete the picture of the item if needed, hover over the picture in the pane and then click the Delete button that appears. In the Sales section, type the description of the bundled product to show in sales forms into the Sales Description field. Next, in the Items Included in the Bundle section, to enable the display of the individual components within the bundled item in transaction forms, check the Display Bundle Items when printing or sending transactions checkbox. If unchecked, only the Description on Sales form field value appears. Next, list the items to include within the bundle by selecting them from the drop-down that appears when you click into a row under the Item Name column. For each selected product or service, enter the quantity included in this bundle by typing that number into the adjacent quantity column for each row. To delete a row, click the Delete icon, which looks like a trash can, at the right end of the row to delete. To add a new line, simply click into the bottom row in this list. Alternatively, to add 2 lines at a time, click the Add Lines button below the list. You can click and drag the row by the handle at its left side, either up or down, to rearrange the order of the listed items in the bundle. To save the item and close the pane, click the Save and Close button in the lower right corner of the pane. To instead save the item and open another new pane to continue entering items, click the Save and New button instead. Alternatively, to cancel creating the item, click the Cancel button and then click Yes in the confirmation prompt. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.